Today I am reviewing the iBUYPOWER Y70TI Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to high-end gaming desktops that combine cutting-edge performance with stunning aesthetics, the iBUYPOWER Y70TI Gaming PC stands out as one of the most exciting pre-built systems available today. Designed for gamers, content creators, and power users who want top-tier hardware right out of the box, this machine delivers an incredible blend of performance, design innovation, and future-ready technology. Right away, the first thing that grabs attention is the Hyte Y70 touchscreen case. This is not your typical gaming PC case. It features a beautiful tempered glass design that showcases the internal components while also including a built-in touchscreen panel on the front. This display allows users to monitor system performance, customize visuals, display system stats, or even run widgets and animations. It adds a futuristic feel to the entire setup and makes the PC not only powerful, but also visually impressive on any gaming desk. The case itself is built with durability and airflow in mind. The tempered glass panels give the system a premium appearance while letting the vibrant RGB lighting shine through. Inside the case, you'll find customizable 16-color RGB lighting that enhances the overall gaming aesthetic. Whether you prefer subtle lighting or a full RGB showcase, the system allows you to create a setup that matches your personal style. But while the design is impressive, the real power of this gaming PC comes from the hardware inside. At the heart of the system is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D processor. This CPU is part of AMD's latest generation of gaming-focused processors, featuring advanced 3D V-Cache technology that significantly improves gaming performance. With its powerful architecture, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D is capable of handling demanding modern games, heavy multitasking, and content creation tasks with ease. Whether you're streaming gameplay, editing videos, running demanding applications, or playing the latest AAA titles, this processor provides excellent responsiveness and smooth performance. Paired with this powerful CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card with 16 GB of VRAM. This GPU represents the next generation of graphics technology, delivering incredible performance for modern gaming and creative workloads. With the RTX 5080, you can enjoy ultra-high frame rates, stunning ray-traced graphics, and smooth gameplay even at high resolutions. Gamers who want to play titles at 1440p or even 4K will appreciate the power this graphics card brings to the table. Advanced technologies like AI-powered graphics enhancements, improved ray tracing performance, and next-generation rendering capabilities help create immersive gaming experiences that look incredibly realistic. To support this level of performance, the system includes 32 GB of DDR5 RGB memory running at 5200 MHz. This high-speed memory ensures that the system can handle multitasking without slowdowns. Whether you're running demanding games, multiple browser tabs, streaming software, or creative applications, the large amount of RAM keeps everything running smoothly. Another major advantage of this system is its storage configuration. The PC includes a 2 TB NVMe solid-state drive, which provides both speed and capacity. NVMe SSDs are significantly faster than traditional storage drives, allowing the system to boot quickly, launch games faster, and reduce loading times dramatically. With 2 TB of space, you'll have plenty of room for large game libraries, creative projects, media files, and applications. Connectivity is also well covered on this system. The iBUYPOWER Y70TI features multiple USB 3.1 ports, making it easy to connect gaming peripherals, storage devices, and accessories. There is also a gigabit Ethernet port for stable wired internet connections, along with built-in 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, giving you the flexibility to connect wirelessly when needed. The system runs on Windows 11 Home, which brings a modern interface and gaming-focused features such as improved DirectX support, better system optimization, and seamless integration with gaming services. Windows 11 also provides enhanced performance for newer hardware, helping you get the most out of this powerful gaming setup. One thing that many users will appreciate is that the system comes without unnecessary bloatware. This means you get a clean installation of Windows that allows you to install only the applications and games you actually want. iBUYPOWER also includes a gaming keyboard and RGB mouse with the system, giving you everything you need to get started right away. While many gamers eventually upgrade to specialized peripherals, having these included makes the setup process simple and convenient. Overall, the iBUYPOWER Y70TI Gaming PC is an exceptional pre-built system that delivers both power and style. With its advanced Ryzen 7 9800X3D processor, powerful RTX 5080 graphics card, fast 32GB DDR5 memory, and spacious 2TB NVMe storage, it's built to handle modern gaming and demanding workloads for years to come. Combined with the eye-catching Hyte touchscreen case, customizable RGB lighting, and strong connectivity options, this PC offers a complete high-end gaming experience straight out of the box. For gamers who want a powerful machine without the complexity of building their own system, the iBUYPOWER Y70TI stands as a fantastic option that delivers performance, visual appeal, and future-ready hardware all in one impressive package.